right? Better. All right, very good. So now our saturation pressure based on the equation of state is matched with the laboratory data. Click exit, exit, exit and save, exit and save. Now I will, what is, what is the name? Binary interaction or pseudo splitting. So let's call it copy exit stream. Let's call it pseudo splitting, pseudo splitting BIC. Okay, now go back to well stream. So again, we will open the manual. Now after binary interaction, we go to enter lab data. Now that we have defined the pseudo properties, split the pseudo, and have applied the BIC, we are almost in position to perform the regression to fine-tune the EOS. Before this can be done, we need to provide the laboratory data that we seek to match our EOS model against. As the lab data will form the basis for regression, it is imperative that the data is quality checked and any spurious suspicious data points are excluded or not given the same weighting as high quality data points. The interface to enter the lab data can be accessed via data, enter lab data, or by pressing this button. Okay, so this one, so I will do that. Okay, data, enter lab data. Data, enter lab data. All right. Okay. Okay, so let's open the lab, enter lab data, saturation pressure. Okay, you can read it and I will input the data. Okay, so in the PSAT or saturation pressure, enter the reservoir temperature, the saturation pressure, and the temperature and the corresponding fluid density. From the lab report, these are 185, 2091, and 641 kilogram per meter cube respectively. If different units are required to enter the data, return to the main screen by pressing OK and then change the respective units via option units by pressing this one. It should be noted at obtaining accurate measurement at the bubble point, especially for near critical fluid, is difficult. Okay, again, obtaining accurate measurement at the bubble point, especially for near critical fluid, it is difficult as the liquid and vapor phase become hard to differentiate. To avoid these uncertainties, one may wish to instead regress on fluid density near rather than at PSAT. Okay, so let's input the data. Okay, now we will, for the CCE,